Good evening, everyone. It is August 23rd, 2023. I've just posted the the midweek update, and so I don't think we need to go over the high time frame stuff too much. Just in general, what I'm looking for is a test of this kind of 44.84 to, I don't know, 90-ish area, and on the NQ, what I'm looking for is a test of, not sure why this came in here. Uh, I'm looking for a test of, somewhere around 450-ish, 4 to 500 maybe. So the way that I'll be looking to trade this tomorrow is I imagine what will happen is we get a continued move up, if not a gap up scenario, somewhere to around this kind of 430 to 500 area, and then a fade for the rest of the day. Not sure where this catches bids. I imagine either the previous day's high at 242s, or we head down to where I was saying is critical to hold for the longs is this kind of about 160-ish area. So if I had to guess, I would imagine our playing around is going to be something like this, kind of this 300-ish point range, which reminds me today's range came in at 250 points. So not counting this, whatever this is, another 100-point extension. So keeping in mind, this is the RTH close over here. Um, so we're already in gap up territory. What I'll be looking for again is that sort of move up to this high time frame 475-ish, test of it, and then a move down to somewhere around the gap close or down to holding this 160 number. I don't think we get the complete crap out tomorrow. Same thing on the ES. I think we go ahead and test this kind of 85, 84 area, maybe up to 93, 96. So again, I'll be looking for a gap up and move upwards and then move down to holding somewhere around this 44.36 number. I doubt we'll even get down to there. Maybe we even just hold the previous day's high at 54s, 55s. There we go. Maybe it looks something like this, which would already be a considerable range. Maybe we go ahead down into sort of this lower auction, but I don't think we'll be losing the 36s if we do move up here. So in general, looking for a kind of bullish tilted morning and then a sell-off into the close, something like that, puts us in a nice neutral zone, an overall kind of neutral outlook heading into J-Pound Friday. We'll have rejected this sort of area, kind of be hanging out around here. Same thing on the NQ. We'll have rejected this sort of area, and then we're just kind of chilling there, whether we complete the head and shoulders and move downwards or we rip to the upside. Same on the ES, whether we move down for that head and shoulders move or just break out upwards. I think it's a nice neutral spot to kind of park it in before we get that JPOW speaking at whatever it is, 10 a.m. on Friday, or I can't remember what the actual number is. Anyway, that's all I have. 3.5 minutes. Amazing when you already do a 10-minute video or whatever that was. Updates to this pre-market. Curious if we do hold this current gap up scenario that we have going. There you go, the RTH at 48.5, and we're trading 30 points above there. So curious if we hold that gap up. We'll see in the morning. Updates to this pre-market. Have a great night. Trade safe.